I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard in Rogue Lineage. To start your journey, you must first create a character with the Super Greatsword class. It is crucial to then progress this character until it reaches an orderly state. Finally, make sure your character has learned and can successfully perform the meditate ability, as this is a key prerequisite for the next steps. Next, you'll need to locate the elusive Vanguard trainer. Head to Castle Sanctuary and search carefully behind a pillar, specifically near where the Ultra Sigil trainer resides. Once you find them, speak to the trainer. They will then assign you a vital quest, to journey into the deep sunken area and retrieve a special ether crystal. Upon successfully acquiring the ether crystal, a challenging timed quest begins. You must visit 3 distinct high-altitude locations: the very top of Mount Gilu, the summit of the Burial Grounds Tower, and the Peak of Necro, found in the middle of the abyss. At each location, activate the crystal. You must complete this entire circuit and return to the trainer within a strict 15-minute time limit. Once you have successfully navigated the perilous 3 Peaks challenge and returned to the trainer within the allotted 15 minutes, your arduous journey is nearly complete. Head back to the Vanguard trainer in Castle Sanctuary. Having proven your worth and dedication through these trials, the trainer will acknowledge your efforts and officially bestow upon you the prestigious and powerful Vanguard Ultra class. Congratulations on your new abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.